Good morning, student. Yesterday, I described the radioactive element. The radioactive elements are the elements produce some radiation. These radiations in a three type of rays: alpha rays, beta rays, and gamma rays. Alpha and beta I have already discussed. Now today I am going to our third rays is gamma rays. These rays were regarded as high energy electrostatic radiations having no charge and negligible mass. It means it is highly energy electromagnetic radiations but having no charge. It is neutral, while alpha rays is positive charge rays and deflected in the negative pole, while beta rays is negative charge rays and deflected the positive end. But gamma rays neither negative nor positive, therefore it is neutral. Right? After the rays, study after the rays, we are going to our new topic, Rutherford nuclear model of atom. These nuclear model of an atom, it is based the experimentally, but Thomson model are not based on the experimentally. It was a theoretical model, but it is a experimental model. Rutherford and his students bombard very thin gold foil with alpha particles. Alpha particles, we have already learned, it is positive charge particles having mass like helium. This experiment known as alpha particle scattering experiment or Rutherford scattering experiment. This is the model of the experiment where these are circle and lines is the atom of the gold foil, and these are the rays of alpha particles. A stream of light energy alpha particles from a radioactive source was directed at a thin foil of gold metal. The thin gold foil had a circular fluorescent by zinc sulfide. Zinc sulfide is fluorescent. When rays struck to the zinc sulfide, they produce flash. Right? They produce flash. Whenever alpha particle struck the screen, they give flash light was produced at point. It is indicate that the rays are struck to the these point. After the experiment of bombard of alpha particle to the thin foil of gold, Rutherford observed the following point. Number one, most of the alpha particles, about 99%, pass through the gold foil undeflected. Undeflected. It is about 99%. Yani most of the particles are undeflected. A small fraction of alpha particles got deflected through small angles. And third is very few, about 1 in 20,000, did not pass through the gold foil and come back about 180%. These 3 points explained by Rutherford. most of the particle undeflected, it means that these must be very large empty spaced within the atoms. Clear? Most of 99% are particles undeflected, it means most of the very large empty space. Second is alpha particle got diffracted through small angles. It means that there is a heavy positive charge mass presence of an atom. Clear? It is a positive charge and alpha particle also positive. Therefore, they repel to each other and the alpha particle deflected through small angles. Third is very few alpha particles come back about 180 degree. It means heavy positive charge mass is very small and strong. Right? It means very few particles. It means one or two in about 20,000. In about 20,000. It means very few particles are come back about 180 degree. It means it is very heavy and strong. Rutherford give name nucleus. Right? Rutherford give name nucleus. Right? And after the Rutherford experiment, we are going to our next topic. Thank you.